Since this is not CSS, HTML, and front-end oriented course, we are going to use pre-made HTML templates that are available open source on the GitHub. So navigate to this repository, Start Bootstrap Clean Blog, and if you have Git, feel free to clone this repository, and if you don't, you can click on this download button and download the zip file. So once you have downloaded and extracted this template, select all the files and move them into the public directory. So we are going to create a new folder in the public. We are going to name it Assets. And paste all the files here. Okay, great. Let's make sure that they are working by navigating to the personalblog.test/assets. And as you can see, template is working fine. Now we need to get rid of some files we are not going to use. And those are all of the files here. And we also don't need this mail contact me file. Since we are not using the npm or gulp for compiling the SAS files, you can remove this one as well. So we are now left with only 4 folders here. Now when we have our template, let's replace this welcome page with the one from the template. So head over back to the GitHub repository and copy the code from the index.html. Now go to the resources, views, and replace this code in the welcome view. Now make sure that you update the path to the CSS and JS files. Great. Now do the refresh, and for some reason it doesn't work. If we look at the console, we can see that there are 2 CSS files that are not found. And that is because we forgot to add the assets on this one. Now, if we do the refresh, the theme works good.